Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Voices, where learning English feels simple and enjoyable. I'm Jamie.
Hi, Jamie. Hey, everyone. It's great to be here again with you all. How are you doing today, Jamie?
I'm doing fantastic, Alex. Thanks for asking. I woke up feeling really cheerful today. What about you?
I'm feeling awesome, too. I've got a big smile on my face. It's such a lovely day outside.
Yes, it really is. The sunshine just puts me in a good mood.
Same here. And that's actually the perfect mood for our topic today.
Oh, yes. Today, we're diving into something meaningful, gratitude.
Exactly. Gratitude might sound like a small word, but it's incredibly powerful.
It truly is. But before we begin, everyone, please subscribe to our channel, English Voices, and give this video a thumbs up. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. And don't forget to share this episode with your friends and family. Let's spread some positive energy today.
So, Alex, what does gratitude mean to you, personally?
Good question. For me, gratitude means recognizing and appreciating the good things in life, both big and small.
That's a lovely way to describe it. So, what are you thankful for today?
Well, first of all, this beautiful day. And also, the amazing cup of coffee I had this morning. It was perfect.
Coffee always deserves a thank you. I'm grateful for my delicious breakfast. It gave me energy to start my day right.
See, gratitude doesn't have to be about huge things. Even small blessings count. What else are you grateful for, Jamie?
Definitely my family. They're always there for me and make me feel loved.
That's beautiful. Family and friends are priceless. I feel the same. I'm thankful for the amazing people in my life, too.
Yes, relationships really make life special. But what about bigger things, not just the little ones?
Good point. I'd say I'm really thankful for having a safe home. It's my peaceful space.
I love that. I'm deeply grateful for my health. Without it, we can't enjoy life fully.
Absolutely. When we're healthy, we can walk, play, learn, and do everything we love, even learn English.
That's right. I'm also thankful for learning itself. It keeps the mind active and happy.
A happy mind is a strong mind. That's a great thought.
And you, Alex? What's one of the biggest things you're thankful for?
Honestly, life itself. Just waking up each day feels like a blessing.
That's so true. Every new day gives us another chance to grow and do good things.
I feel grateful to God for giving me this life and countless chances to be happy.
That's a wonderful perspective. Faith really helps us see meaning in everything.
Yes, it does. It helps me stay thankful for every small or big gift in life.
I completely agree. Gratitude connects everything and helps us see the good around us.
Speaking of good things, what about nature?
Oh, absolutely. I love nature. I'm thankful for trees. They're beautiful and calming.
And flowers. So many colors, red, yellow, pink. It's amazing.
Totally. And I'm also thankful for my cat, Luna. She makes me laugh every single day.
Aw, that's sweet. I have a dog named Rocky. He's my best buddy. I'm so grateful for him too. Pets bring so much happiness.
They really do. Here's a question. Is there a sound you're thankful for?
Interesting. I think I'm grateful for the sound of rain. It's relaxing and peaceful.
Oh, yes. I love that too. For me, it's the sound of laughter. It's like music for the soul.
Especially when it's the laughter of people we love, that's the best sound in the world.